there are things like distance, speed, time. How these three things are related to each other? We have to see this. Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. If you have to find the speed, this will be distance over time, that is your speed. And if you have to find the time, this will be distance over speed, that is actually time. So these are the three formulae, like relate how they are related to each other. You need to remember only one, other you can form from this one, like distance is speed multiplied by time. Then you can do it distance over time. Distance is here, time will divide and become speed, and if distance is there, speed will divide, that will become time. So how these are related to each other? So this is the relationship between distance, speed and time. So with this relation we can find it out. If any two are given, we can find the third one. Like the distance is given, like a train distance between the two stations, like A and B. This is two stations are there. So this is A and that is here B. So this distance is, let's consider that is 100 kilometers. And a car is moving from here and it goes from this station to this station. What will be the, like, okay, if the speed of this car is 50 kilometers per hour, in how much time it will reach? We have done that time is equal to what? Distance over speed, and distance is how much? Distance is 100 kilometers over speed is 50 kilometers per hour. So that is 100 over 50. This is kilometers into hours over kilometers, because when you this will flip, kilometers struck down. This is how much is that? 2, and the unit of time we are getting, that is hours. So your time is, that is 2 hours. So this is how you can find it out. Like what was given to us, when the distance is given, the speed is given, we are finding the time. In the same way, if any two things are given, we can find the third one. Like distance and time is given, you can find the speed, and if speed and time are given to you, you can find out the distance. So all the formulas are with you. फरारी बड़ी एंड बनाई है।
और कोई फार्मूला कर लो कि भावे 30 मिनट दी कर लो, जो जो दिमाग च आंदा ले दो, मैनूं पता नहीं एक बारी बह के बाद 2-3 दिन साडे दिमाग च नहीं हो।
नहीं वो तो हैगा ही है, वो तो कोई
गिला पड़ा लेके
नहीं। we was doing the distance, speed and time. Let's consider the distance between the two stations AB, that is distance is how much, that is 200 kilometers, and the time taken by a, you can say, a car. It moves from here, from A to B, that is there, it goes from A to B. So the time taken, let's consider, is 2 hours and 40 minutes. Now the units are different. First of all, we have to see what are the units, appropriate units we have to take. So this is 200 kilometers, and this is, we have to find the speed, with what speed it's moving from this to this. This is actually the average speed, we will find it out. It's a distance over, this is time, 2 hours and 40 minutes. So 2 hours is there, this is this one, plus 40 minutes. If we divide 40 by 60, we convert that into hours. So this will be how much? 2 over 3. So 2 over 3. So this is 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 8 over 3 hours. So this will become how much? This is 8 over 3. So this is in kilometers, this is in hour. So this will be what? 200 into 3 over 8. This is kilometers per hour. So this is 25. If you subtract this, so this is 3. So this is 75 kilometer per hour. So this is there. So with this speed it's moving and taking this time 2 hours and 40 minutes to complete this.
मैं क्या इतना ਵਧੀਆ ਆਈਡੀਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ। ਬਲੈਕ ਬੋਰਡ ਨਾਲ ਨਾ ਟੈਪ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਟੈਂਡ।
ਸੋ ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ, ਅਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੱਪ ਦਿਓ, ਅਤੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਵੀ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮ ਕਰੋ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸੋ। ਅਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਪੰਪਲੇਟ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੇਲ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਸਾਰੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ। ਸੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬੇਟਾ।